I'm back again with another CPN Jewel. It's your boy, CPN SHAWTY. I want to thank all the subscribers, everybody out there in YouTube land who's made this channel go up. You know, I appreciate all the love, all the comments. Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of people have been asking. They want to get the information. It's about documents. So if you have questions about your documents, your number, which documents do I need in my CPN, stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping a jewel. Let's go. All right, today, like every day, I need you to smash that like, comment, and subscribe, and share this content so we can keep making more and more content just like this. The first thing we're going to talk about is which documents do you need when you have your CPN. So let's say you just purchased a CPN, no matter where you got it, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to need to have some documents, all right? Now, you should be getting your CPN in your name so you won't have to create another ID. That's the number one thing, so you won't be already getting so many scam charges, all right? But the thing that'll help you out, go ahead and get you a bank statement, okay? The bank statements need to be current, and you need to at least have two bank statements. So this month and last month, all right? That'll help you out when you're applying for something and they ask you for bank statements. If they ask you for bank statements, you already have them, you know, so go ahead and put that down, bank statements. The second thing you're gonna need possibly is paycheck stubs, okay? Most times, if you're getting paid bi-weekly, they wanna see the last 2 paycheck stubs. So go ahead, get you some paycheck stubs. And stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm gonna give you a link to where you can get documents. I've gotten documents from them, sent my clients, you know, and they do a great job, guaranteed. So there you go. Stick here to the end and I'll give you that link. All right. The third thing you're gonna need to know about documents is, okay, look, SSN card. All right. Do you need it? Do you not? Now, I'll let that be up to you for informational purposes only. Some people say they needed it, some people say they didn't, but you know, that's up to what you're applying for. So again, you can speak with the people who I give you at the end of this video and ask them what it is they charge and what is it good for. All right, the next thing about documents to know is make sure you review them before you submit. You wouldn't believe how many clients call me and say, hey, I submitted the documents that I got and then something was wrong. You gotta review it and make sure that everything is on point because humans make errors, all right? So you don't wanna go about that and then lose your deposit or waste your time or just blow the opportunity period because you didn't check to make sure the information was correct. So again, always double check before you submit, all right? Even when you're doing an application, read over every line, all the documents, all right? So, just because you stayed to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the link to where I get my documents, where CPN SHAWTY gets his secret documents. I'm exposing my secret right now to you, just because you show love and you stayed, all right? So go ahead, hit that like, you know, subscribe, and share this, all right? So, right below, right now, look down, you can see it says get your documents. That's where I want you to go right now. Click on that link. You'll be able to see exactly what the prices are, what documents. You can even reach out to them and have a conversation about what your needs are, okay? This is CPN SHAWTY. Check it out.